Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line Tech. This vehicle is a diesel automatic, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in pure white. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch Suzuka-style alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the pure white exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the race cloth and San Remo microfiber upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger, and as well as this, passengers travelling in the rear have access to tables. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle is done 45,689 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Volkswagen infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this you have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. A navigation system allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or just listen to your own music. You also have a 360 view camera, making manoeuvring so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats. Along with your Dynaudio upgraded sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take. This has been a presentation on a Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line Tech that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.